sa mall, tamang magitang ko wala tayong pera. Ito tayo, mall.
Iba yung pangatlo.
Tapos sa taas. May event sila.
This is never an easy task for teachers, of course. But BLSI rose to the challenges 10 years ago and continues to address the challenges today. A major effort in meeting the challenges with the schools from a more traditional curriculum to a more
Nanonood kayo mamaya ng movie. Pag walang pera, paikot-ikot lang sa mall, tamang palamig. Oh, bulkan mo yan.